Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the Rome's most iconic landmarks, Colosseum, along with visiting Roman Forum and Palentine Hill. So don't go anywhere and watch this episode till the end, as this is what you cannot miss visiting once you are in Rome, Italy. Before starting with our tour, let me guide you about its ticketing process. Colosseum tickets get released 30 days ahead of your desired day, and they offer several types of tickets covering different Colosseum areas. So it's recommended to purchase your tickets online. We booked our tickets from tickets.com, which costed us €24 per person, which also includes entry to Roman Forum and Palentine Hill. All Colosseum tickets are skip the line. You do not need to pay more for skip the line options. However, access to the Colosseum is organized according to time slots which you need to choose while booking your tickets. All you need to do is show up at the designated time, pass security, and get in. Please note that you need at least 3 to 4 hours to explore all these 3 places. So plan your visit accordingly. Colosseum is a magnificent amphitheater that stands as a testament to the grandeur of ancient Rome. This architectural marvel was completed in 80 Common Era and could hold up to 50,000 spectators. The ground floor, known as the arena, was the central stage where gladiatorial contests, animal hunts, and other spectacles took place. It was a dynamic space where battles unfolded and the crowd cheered for their favorite warriors. According to experts, around 0.4 million gladiators were killed, but it wasn't only humans that were killed in action at the Colosseum. Around 1 million animals died over the 390 years since the amphitheater was active. A sport called Venatio, which translates as hunting, was introduced at amphitheaters across ancient Rome. Today, it stands as a symbol of Rome's rich history and is a must-visit for any traveler. Let's take a quick tour of its different floors and sections. Next, we head towards the Roman Forum and Palentine Hill, which is located just a short walk away from Colosseum. Roman Forum is an ancient plaza that was once the vibrant heart of Roman public life. This complex served as the social, political, and commercial center of the city and was lined with shops and open-air markets. The Forum had beautiful buildings with grand pillars and statues that shows the power and glory of the Roman Empire. Here you can explore the ruins of ancient temples, basilicas, and other important structures. Within the premises of Roman Forum, you can climb up the Palentine Hill, which is the legendary birthplace of Rome. The Palatine is the most famous of Rome's 7 hills. This hill is also filled with lovely gardens and pathways. In ancient times, wealthy Romans built their fancy palaces on this hill, making it a symbol of luxury and power. From the top of this hill, you can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the city. That's all for today's video. So if you're planning a trip to Rome, be sure to grab a ticket that includes entry to all three. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures.